Greetings to you all and welcome to a live webinar session where we'll be looking at the average Joe's guide to 100 million naira binary option profits. Even if you've never traded binary options before, you're going to be revealed to the amazing secrets, the amazing techniques, the amazing strategies I've been using over time on daily basis to rock 7 figures every single month in profit. So just stay glued to your screen and watch this webinar till the end, and you get to discover the amazing secret I use on a daily basis trading on binary options to rock 7 figures every single month. My name remains Ukemeobong Raymond, and I'm your host. And fast forwarding to the deal of the day, I want to thank you for joining us in this webinar session. I want you to be rest assured that at the end of this webinar, after going through and applying the strategies therein, you will say to yourself, I am glad I enrolled. All you need to do is follow the instructions outlined in this video recording, and the sky will be your limit. Meanwhile, sit back, relax, and enjoy the training. Before we get started, I would like you to take our time to read through this disclaimer. Okay. Just pause this video and go through this disclaimer till the end. Okay, having gone through that, let's get started. Here are some questions for you. Have you lost your hard-earned money to binary option trading platforms before? Have you bought binary option trading strategies and robots that ended up blowing up your account? Do you wish to learn how to earn 7 figures every month trading binary options from the comfort of your bedroom? If your answer to the above question is yes, then this training is just for you. And in the course of this training, you'll be revealed to the in-depth secret I use to earn steady 7 figures every single month. I repeat, steady 7 figures every single month. But before I proceed, let's take a look of how I turned 100 USD to about 12,000 and above USD in just 3 months trading on binary.com. Now the link is here. All you need to do is copy this link and paste it on your browser, on your web address, and enter, and it will take you to a video showing you live proof of how I turned 100 USD to about 12,000 USD and above in less than 3 months. Okay. Now, before we get started, I would like to show you one of my real accounts. I have like 10 real accounts which I trade on a daily basis. I will just give you a clue of how my accounts look like. One of my real accounts which I actually trade with, to show you that this particular strategy I'm going to be aligning in this video recording series is for real, and you can actually achieve the same amount I've been able to achieve over time. So let's go to my browser. Let's go to my browser to check out one of my real accounts. Okay, here we are. Here's my browser, and this is a live trading session. As you can see, this is moving up and down. Today is the 9th of July 2019, and here's my real account with a total sum of 16,577.14 USD. So having clicked that, you can see here 16,577.14 USD, and here is my demo account. So in the course of this recording, I'll be taking our time to show you everything you need to know when it comes to the broker I use, which is binary.com, the trades I go for, the best platforms to trade on, the best times to trade, and also how you can make 7 figures every single month trading using these particular strategies I'm going to show you. You can start with as little as 8 USD and build your account over time to nothing less than $3,000 and above on a single every monthly basis. So just stay glued to your screen and watch this video to the end and apply every single strategy I'm going to show you here. I've seen, and the sky will be your limit. Okay, going back to our report. Before we proceed, I want to say that if you watch this video till the end, I will have a gift for you. I'll be giving you my package, the first 7 models of my trading package, my binary option trading package that will take you from scratch to a pro. The first 7 models video series is going to be given out for free. And also, I'm going to be revealing to you a secret that binary.com, which is my broker, I've been using over time to make people lose their hard-earned funds trading on binary.com. So I'll be giving you this secret to help you overcome every obstacles that comes with binary.com. You will have like 3 secrets, but I'm going to only be revealing to you one of them, which is very important. You might not have known this, but this will help you save a lot of money trading binary options, to be precise. So if you watch this video till the end, are you going to be getting this for free? This is only given out to those that are my premium clients. But in as much as you're watching this video right now, you are going to be getting it for free if you stay till the end. So let's proceed. But before we go to the next one, who am I? I would like to show you a screenshot of some of the testimony by clients having gone through my training. As you can see here, let's go to the testimony from my clients. Okay. Yeah, this is one of my clients, and he said his name is Moses, Mr. Moses Uyibo. He says, testimony of the last webinar I attended, Engineer Raymond, you are a God-sent man to my life. I concluded that binary trading was not real but scam, but this one-on-one training has opened my eyes to see many secrets. Before I met you, I spent over 500,000 Naira on training that could not work. You see, I trade with confidence now. That trading with you after the training that I made over $21 yesterday, but so much confidence in me, built so much confidence in me. Today alone, I have made about $60 already using the strategies you taught me. You are too much. Keep doing the good work you are doing. Thank you so much. I advise everyone out there to contact this man, Engineer Raymond, for the one-on-one training. You can post my testimony anywhere. Once again, thank you, Sir Moses Oyibo. That is one of the people that attended my webinar, and you can see here dated May 26, 2019. A recent webinar I just concluded, and that is in May, that held on May 26, 2019. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. We have here, hello, good afternoon, sir. I am Mr. Amos, and I want to thank you for showing me how to earn more than $100 daily on the binary platform. I recommend your trading to everyone. Is genuine and working perfectly because your updates are very helpful, as well with new videos. And I responded to him, you're welcome, keep enjoying the cash. Okay, that was the second one. We have a third one here. Hello, sir. Thank you for this awesome update from binary trading. I gave up on binary option trading until I got your latest package, which helped me to raise my account from $43 remaining balance to about $673 in less than 48 hours. In less than 48 hours, you was able to raise 43 USD, about 673 USD in less than 48 hours. I really appreciate. Once I hit 1,000 USD, I will send you a $200 tip. Once again, thank you. And he went ahead and screenshot his account balance, showing me how he actually achieved that. This was an international client from, I think, California. So you can see there. Let's go to the next one. Okay, we have another one here. You don't want to be wasting time here. I've been in US His name is Harrison Walker. I've been in the US for 15 years now. I'm from Portugal. My English is not good enough, and I'm into binary options trading for almost a year and a half. Binary option trading experience a mixed bag. Option trading are risky and not as rosy as how brokers or affiliates portray it to be. I have made money and I have lost money, and winning was not a lot of money until I stumbled on your blog while doing some searches on Google about binary option trading strategies. I was astonished at the testimonies I saw on your blog that inspired me to purchase the offer, thereby starting live trading with 500 USD. I am glad to give my views on your product as it made me 2,422.03 USD in less than a week. You can see that in less than a week, it raised 500 USD to 2,422 USD. I'm so sorry to say that I went against some of your principles, but I was still in profit. Thank you for giving the world hope again through your products. Please see the attached file for proof of my account balance and profit. Harrison Walker, that was another good one. So let's take a look at another one here. Okay. This is another one from Donald Machine. So just take our time, go through it. You can see from here, he told us that he funded his account with 50 USD and he was able to make a profit of 80 USD in his first day. And in 4 days, he made 525 USD in 4 days. As you can see here, this is one of my recent testimonies that just came in. And we have another one here which says he funded his account with 50 USD and was able to raise it to 1,225 USD in less than 14 days. There's another one here, Richard Jeffrey from California. And we have another one here, Jotala. After going through your videos with months of demo trading, yesterday I funded my account with 20 USD, as little as 20 USD. You can actually get started. And started trading. I have made 165 USD in less than 24 hours. Thank you, my boss. This is another great one. This is a Nigerian. He started with 20 USD and he made a whooping 165 USD profit in less than 24 hours. Okay, he continued by attaching screenshots here. And also I responded to him, enjoy the free money. He said, thank you. Okay. And he responded a few hours after. I just made extra 80 USD now, as you can see here. Okay. And I said, withdraw 100 and continue with the rest. He said, yes, I'm doing that. And he said, right now, okay, I said, wait till it's being deducted from your account balance before you start trading again. And he said again the next day, this was on Thursday. He told me again, I made 247 in 2 days, 247 USD in 2 days with just $20 deposit. Thanks to my boss, I just withdrew 152 and I appreciate, sir. Okay, as you can see there, he actually started with 20 USD and he achieved in less than 2 days 247 USD. That's amazing. So if we want to continue and continue and continue, we will be showing you testimonies upon testimonies upon testimonies, but we will have to stop it there, then go back to our reports to continue with the course for today. Okay, who am I? My name is Ukemeobong Raymond, and I am an engineer, a forex to binary option trading expert. I've been trading forex to binary options since 2009 till date, and I must say that I am pretty good at what I do. Getting to this point was not an easy one for me, but hard work, research, and persistence made it a reality today. I can proudly say that I earn sound figures every month trading forex to binary options. You too can get to where I am today if you follow every single step as I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video recording. Remember, I'm not promising you sound figures every month. First of all, We are all different, and there are certain skills I possess that you do not have. As a matter of fact, you are most likely to make nothing, and this is because most people never get up their bottom to do anything with the information they have. Before we go into the deal of the day, there are some important things you have to take note of, which has to do with the trading risk, the cautions and the precautions while trading on binary.com website. Okay, please remember at all times that the trading binary option can be an exciting activity, but we have a moral duty to remind you of the risk you might run. Option trading can be a real addiction as any other activity pushed to its limits. We kindly ask you to engage in a careful self-analysis to check if you are at risk. To avoid the danger of such an addiction, it is important that you follow some basic principles and guidelines. Use the opportunity provided by the binary option website to practice for free with their virtual demo money account facility. This will enable you to get used to the functionalities and rules of the website. Do not trade more than you can afford. Do not trade when you are tired or under the influence of alcohol. Put a limit on your winnings. Once you've reached it, put some aside and trade with the rest of the money. Trade only with what you can afford to lose. Do not trade with borrowed money. These are very important. And the broker I use, which has to do with the binary.com, provides you with the opportunity to either self-exclude or set limits on your trading activities on the website. You may also contact them to state the limits you wish to set via a live chat or via email or via phone call. Available limits are a limit on the amount you may trade within a specific period of time. Now, you can set a limit, or maybe you have $100 account balance and you want to trade a particular amount within a specific period of time, maybe within a 1 hour time range. 1 hour time range, you just want to trade like maximum of 20 USD. You can set a limit on that account. Once you've been able to trade up to $20 within a 1 hour time frame, that account will not be allowed to proceed with any trade contracts until the 1 hour is exhausted. That is such limits you can actually set on your account. There's another limit where you can set a limit on the losses you may incur within a specific period of time. You might set a limit on the losses. Maybe you just say you don't want to lose more than $10 on a daily basis. Just set that limit on your account, and once you lose up to $10, you won't be able to trade again for the entire day till the next 24 hours. Now, you can also set a limit on the amount of time you may trade in a given online session. You might also set a limit in the time frames you want to be trading every day. Now, if you go online to trade outside those time frames, the system will not allow you to trade outside those time frames except for the time frames you actually selected when you set your limit. Now, you can also set a limit on a definite or indefinite period with which you exclude yourself from the website. I just explained that to you. So any limits you set may only be changed or increased after 7 days notice. That means before a limit which you've set is being changed, you have to give them 7 days notice to the change of that particular limit. Okay, having understood that, let's go to caution. There's things you have to look for while trading on the website. By following this precaution, you are guaranteed of making at least 50 USD or even more on a daily basis. The first thing on our list is set a targeted amount you want to attain on a daily basis. And once you've reached that targeted amount, log out and continue another day. Your targeted amount must be between 10% to 30% of your account balance or even less on a daily basis. Don't be greedy. Apply the strategies that will be aligned in the course of this video as shown. While trading, check out the market direction using the interactive charts below each market and act upon it quickly. Don't trade based on instincts, but based on the chart. Always know when to back out when the market is not to your favor. using also what I call the stop loss methodology, which will be explained later in the course of this recording series. Know the best markets to trade on. The markets will be discussed intensively in the course of this trading. Set a stop loss for yourself. Your stop loss is determined by your account balance. Never exceed your stop loss. It's very important. Withdraw every amount you make that sums up to 200% of your initial startup capital before you continue trading to start getting paid your cash. This is very important. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't trade whenever you're under the pressure or under the influence of alcohol. Trade only when your mind is free. Always ensure that you trade with a good and excellent internet connectivity. A fluctuating or weak network might cause losses. All these precautions has to be taken note of. They are very important in as much as you want to hit 7 figures on a monthly basis trading on binary options. So I think that will be all for now. Let's get to the main deal of the day. Our main reason for recording this webinar session, the binary option basics. Binary option, what is binary option trading? Binary option are based on a simple yes or no proposition where will an underlying asset be above a certain price at a certain time. Now, this way to a layman means that you have to predict a particular market movement, stating or predicting that a particular market is going to end above its entry point or below its entry point. Now, the entry point here means the point at which the entry spot means the spot or the point at which that market actually started. So the binary option is a prediction of whether the exit spot, which is the last tick, is going to go above the entry spot or below the entry spot of a particular trade you go for. So that determines whether you are on a winning side or on a losing side. So every binary option has 4 parts. It has what we call the assets, it has what we call the duration, it has what we call the trade type, and it has what we call the payout. Now the assets here has to do with the major markets you can actually trade on. Okay, let's go to the binary website so that I'll be able to show you what the asset means. Okay, here on the binary website, we have what we call the assets. Here we have the Forex. The main assets here have to do with the binary markets which you can actually trade on. We have the Forex market, which has the major pairs and the minor pairs. We have the indices market, which has the Australian, Asian, Oceanic indexes, Japanese indexes, the Europe market. We have the commodities, which has to do with the gold, the metals, the energy, and the rest of them. Then we have the volatility indices, which has to do with the continuous volatility and the daily reset market. So personally, I work with the volatility indices, and our trading examples in the course of this recording will stick to the volatility indices. Okay, that is just all you need to know about the trading markets. And then we have what we call the duration. Okay, let's just select one of these. We have what we call the duration. Now the duration here means the actual time frame you want a particular trade to go for. And under the volatility indices market, which we actually trade on, the duration is between 1 tick to about 1 ticks here to about a number of days here, maximum 365 days, depending on what you want. So that is the duration. Okay. So now personally, I will show you which duration I normally used to go for that is working and will work for anyone at any point in time of the day. Then after the duration, we have what we call the trade type. Now here we have under the volatility indices, we have so many trade types, which are sub-markets. We have the up and down, we have the touch and no touch, we have the in and out, we have the Asians, we have the digits, we have the look backs, we have the reset call, reset put, we have the call spread and put spread, we have the high and lows, and we have the only ups and only downs. But here our strategy works only for the up and down. It works for the touch, no touch. It works for the digits. It works for the reset call, reset put, and it works also for the call spread and put spread. So in the course of this recording, I'm only going to be revealing just one of the strategies to you guys. And this particular strategy is one of my best 5 strategies that you can use at any point in time, and it will give you nothing less than 50 to 100% profit every 24 hours. So before we go there, let's go back to our report. And we have what we call the payout, which is the last asset of every trading platform. And the payout here means that a payout here actually stands for the total profit you are going to be making on each market, which you actually go for a trade. Now here on the volatility 10 index, the rise and fall market, our staked amount here is 10 USD. And our duration is 5 ticks. It means that after 5 ticks, if we go for higher, we are going to be making a profit of 94%, 94.2% as profit. Here was our stake, 10 USD, and our total payout is going to be 19.42, which is $9.42 as profit. The same thing applies to if we go for lower. If we make a win on this trade, we are going to be making 94.2% as well from here. So that is what we call the payout. The payout is actually the profit you are going to be making if you go for a particular trade and it makes a win. Okay, going back to our report, we've been able to explain to you guys the 4 parts of every binary option. Now let's go to the broker I use. Personally, I make use of the broker binary.com. Binary.com is one of the oldest and most respected names in online binary trading. It was founded in 1999. It's a website owned and operated by the Regent Market Group, fully licensed and regulated. So under the website, customers can trade currencies, indices, stocks, and commodities 24/7. I showed you that in the previous explanation. So just take a lot of time, visit the website binary.com to check out everything you need to know about them. They are licensed, they are regulated, and you can make money on this website every 5 to 10 seconds to be precise. That is the beauty of it all. So I'm going to show you how you can actually make money on this website every single day. Now the next on our list here is how to set up for a binary option trading account. As I told you, the binary.com account is the broker I use. So kindly visit www.binary.com or click on the link I'm going to provide you here, this particular link, which will allow you to get a free $10 in your real account to start trading. And the downloadable link to this particular PDF I'm using will be added to the description of this video on YouTube. So what you need to do is download this particular PDF, go through it, and click on this link, register with this link, and you get free 10 USD account. Okay. So to register with this website, just click on the link here, and it takes you to a page where you see the registration details. Just fill in it either takes you to the home page that looks like this, or takes you to a page where you see the registration details. Just fill in your details and click on the next, and it prompts follow the prompt to actually register for a free account with 10 USD in your real account. So Binary also provides you with what we call a demo account that you can use for practice purpose. All you need to do is just create an account on the website with the website, and at the end of the day, upon creation of an account, you'll be given a 10,000 USD free funds on your what we call a demo and practice account for you to practice every single trade, every single strategy you have on the demo account. Once you are good at the practice part of it, you can now fund your real account or use the 10 free USD, which we actually made use of. If you sign up using the link above, you can use the 10 USD and get started trading, and you can be in massive profit. Now, after creation of an account, the next thing to do is to fund your binary option account. But before you fund your binary option account, you must be very good at the strategies you're actually using. That means you must have practiced on the demo account using the strategies that you are very good at, the strategies that are working, and the strategies I'm going to show you in the course of this video recording series. Okay, now on how to fund your accounts and withdraw from your binary accounts right here in Nigeria, Binary.com offers you a range of common deposit and withdrawal methods, from credit card to debit cards to bank wires to e-cash wallets and to e-wallets. Now, for swift and easy account funding, I would recommend deposit through e-cash and e-wallets for both Nigerians and non-Nigerians. You can also use credit cards and accredited payment agents to fund and withdraw from your account. Now, why I personally don't advise you use credit cards now is because since the resumption of the Buhari's administration in Nigeria, CBN policies were being modified, which does not allow Nigerians to do international transfers using their card. So if you are to use an international transfer with a card, you have to go to your bank and get a dollar card or a dollar card to be able to do international transfers. So that is why I recommend eCash and eWallet, which are very easy to use. Now, the available ones has to do with the likes of Neteller, Perfect Money, OKPay, Bitcoin, Skrill, and the rest of them. But personally, I recommend you use Perfect Money because of their charges. There is no tough verification process, and it's very easy to use. So to use any of them, Binary gives you so many options. We have the option 1, which has to do with the bank wire money transfer. You can look it up on the Binary website. We have the options 2, that has to do with the credit and debit card, which has to do with the Visa, the MasterCard, and the Metro card. Okay. We have the option 3, which has to do with the e-wallet, which I talked about. We have the FastPay, the Perfect Money, the Skrill, the Neteller, the Web Money, and the rest of them. So personally, I use Perfect Money because it's very easy to use, and the exchange rate is quite encouraging anytime, any day. Then we have the last option, which is the option 4, which has to do with cryptocurrencies. You can actually make use of cryptocurrencies as well, the likes of the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Litecoin, the Tether, to actually fund your account and also withdraw from your account. And this payment method, these options, this funding options and withdrawal option has limits. There are minimum deposit amounts and also there are minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, for the Perfect Money, the minimum deposit amount is 5 USD and the maximum is 10,000. The minimum withdrawal amount is 5 USD and the maximum is 10,000. The same thing applies to Bitcoin. The minimum deposit amount is 0.002 Bitcoin and the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.008 Bitcoin. So you can just go through it and look up the one that best favors you the most and go for it. Okay, having gone through how to fund and withdraw from your account, now follow the steps below to fund your Binary.com account using any of the listed options. Create an account with any of these websites. Personally, I recommend Perfect Money and Bitcoin. So you can just go ahead to perfectmoney.is to create an account, or you can visit www.blockchain.info to create a Bitcoin account. Credit your account, contact an exchanger to get your account credited. List of exchangers I use include the Naira for Dollar, the Focus Wealth, and Turex Gold. Now, for Naira for Dollar and Focus Wealth, you can actually contact them to know the rates, their buying rates, and their selling rate. Remember, the e-currency, e-wallet, and rates are not always stable. It might go up today, it might come down tomorrow. So for Naira, for dollar, and for cost wealth, you have to contact them first to know their rates, their buying rates and their selling rate. Okay. Now the buying rates are always between the rates of maybe 370 Naira to 390 Naira, depending on the time you are buying it from them, per dollar. And while selling it to them, that is you're withdrawing. Buying means to fund your account, selling means to withdraw from your account. While selling it to them, their rates is always between 350 to 370 for withdrawal. That is selling. Now for Turex Gold, for turexgold.com, Turex Gold can actually fund your binary account directly. All you need to do is contact him via the website, pay to his account directly, and he credits your binary account directly. But there are some limitations using Turex Gold. And the limitation has to do with one, your binary account has to be verified to the fullest. That is one. And the minimum amount to fund your binary account with is always 10 USD with Turex Gold. So those are the two limitations there. So if you can bypass this limitation, then you can actually go for Turex Gold. But if you cannot, you can make use of the Naira for dollar or the focuswealth.com. Okay. Once you contact them, they will tell you their selling rates. The next thing to do is to pay to the account and notify them after payment with your payment details as instructed on their website. Once your payment is confirmed, your Bitcoin payments Perfect Money wallet will be credited. From there, you can fund your binary account yourself by logging into your account, click cashier, click deposit, and follow the prompt to complete your funding process. Now, we are on the main deal of the day, the money making system. Now, I believe by now you must have opened your account, the demo and practice account and your real account. So let's get to discuss every single tab button on the binary.com website. Here we'll be focusing on the ones we are going to be making use of in the course of this training. Okay, let's go straight ahead to the binary.com website. Here on the binary.com website, we have two account types here. We have the real account, it starts with CR or MLT, depending on your country. CR for Africans and non-US countries, while MLT has to do with the US countries, the European countries, and the rest of them. So I am a Nigerian, and our account title starts with CR. So this is what we call a real account that starts with CR, a US account, and we have the demo account. And in the course of this particular training, I would like to make use of my demo account because I'll be explaining in the process of training you guys. And when it comes to trading on binary.com, you have to be focused. Now, every single penny, every single dollar here counts. So I don't want to risk my funds here for now because I'll be distracted because I'll be training you guys using a particular strategy, and also I'll be explaining. That means it's going to distract me in one way or the other. So I'll be making use of my demo accounts in the practice purpose. But before we go there, let me just click on it so that it takes us to the demo account where we can practice with. Okay. Let's allow it to load. Okay, having allowed it to load, as you can see here, it has automatically turned to a demo account. I have 29,101 USD on my demo account. This is for practice purpose. You cannot withdraw from the virtual money account or demo account. So now here on the demo account, let's look out here. We have so many tabs here on the binary.com platform. We have what we call the trade. Under the trade, we have the Smart Trader platform, which is the interface you are seeing here. We have the Web Trader platform, which is another interface which you can actually make use of by opening so many tabs and placing so many trades at the same time. The difference between the Smart Trader and the Web Trader is that on the Smart Trader, you can only place one trade at a time, while on the Web Trader, you can place multiple trades at a time. So if you want to make use of a web trader, you can actually click on here and it takes you to another page. Now we have the binary boots. Here is where you can actually, if you have a robot that trades for you, which we have, a robot that can make you nothing less than 50 USD on a daily basis, you can actually make use of the binary boots platform. Here is where you insert your robot, you load your robot and allow it to trade for you. And we also have the MetaTrader platform, which has to do with Forex market and the rest of them, which you can actually make use of trading binary option as well. We have what we call the ladders and the derivatives. So those are the, I think, 6 markets, 6 trading platforms you can actually make use of on the binary.com website. And we have also what we call the portfolio. Here on the portfolio gives you a clue of your running trades, the progress of your running trades, whether you are on a winning side or you're losing that trade. And the portfolio also allows you to buy back your trade if you are losing. So a portfolio gives you a clue of your winning trade and your losing trade. And we have the profit table. The profit table gives you a clue of the trades you actually purchased and your progress if you've won that trade or if you've lost that trade. So that is what the profit table does. Now we also have the statement. The statement of account here is similar to the profit table, but here the statement is different in the case that it gives you a breakdown of your trading process, showing you the trades you actually went for, your purchase time, your purchase date, the amount you placed on that trade, if you've won that trade, if you've lost that trade, and also the possible outcome of that trade. Now it also gives you a clue of all your winning trades and all your losing trades. So that is what the statement does. All it does, it gives you a clue of the trade you purchase and the outcome of those trades. Now the cashier section is where you can actually fund your account and withdraw from your account, which I explained in the course of this recording. You can fund your account and withdraw from your account from the cashier section. And the resources here, we have what we call the resources, which has to do with the trading time, the economic calendar, the trading view, the smart chart, the asset index, and the rest of them, which helps you in the trading process. It helps you to give a clue of the trading markets, the condition, the economic calendar, the trading time, the times. Trading time here helps you to know whenever, if you are trading on the Forex market, it gives you a clue of when the market is going to be open, to what length, to what extent, to what time frame. And also the economic calendar gives you a clue of when there are going to be public holidays, when the markets are not going to be open, and the rest of them. Then the trading views here helps you to see the direction and the condition of any particular market. The trading views and the smart charts helps you to see the condition and the direction of any particular market within a time frame, maybe the previous 2 hours, the previous 2 days, the previous 2 months of that particular market, to help you determine which particular direction to go for. Okay, and here we have what we call settings, where you can set up your profile, your security and limits, which I explained in the first part of this video recording. Here is where you can set everything up. So having gone through that, the next thing for us to do is to look up the different market. We explained this. We have the Forex market, the indices market, the commodities market, and the volatility indexes market. So on the markets we have, under the volatility indices, we have what we call so many markets here, but we'll be concentrating on a few, which I'll be making use of the research call to give you one example. This is one of the best markets we actually make use of because it guarantees you massive winning. Now we have to set this up. We have what we call the duration, which I personally, on the research call, I use 10 ticks. Now, and we have a staked and payout. So personally, I go for stake. I'll explain that in the package you are going to be getting. Now, you also have to insert an amount here which you want to earn. Now, I will explain how to set this up to be on a safer side and how to set this up to be in massive profit in my premium package. So now, if you are going for this trade, if you go for research call, it's going to make you, if you make a win, you're only going to be making 56.2% in profit. If you are going to reset puts, the return is going to be 56.3% in profit. But before you go for any trade, you have to look out for the chart, and also this chart enables you to know the condition of the market and also the direction of every market you're actually trading on. Now, each of these platforms has its charts. So I will show you in my package how you can actually make use of any of these charts and be in massive profit. So let's take one or two examples here. Okay, so you can see here, be on the reset call, reset put platform. For you to be able to make a win, you have to ensure that after the 10th trade, which is going to be divided into two patterns, into two sections, the exit spot must be higher than either the entry spot or the fit spot for you to be able to make a win if you went for reset call. The same thing applies to reset put. If you want to make a win on reset put, the exit spot must be lower than either the entry spot or the fit spot. So here the markets have been able to predict this market. So I'll be going for reset call here, and definitely it's going to be a winning trade. So let's see. And this is our first tick, is our entry spot, which is the first tick. So for us to be able to make a win, the last tick is going to be above this entry spot or above this fifth tick. This is the beauty of this particular market. Now, if for instance, if our fifth tick was below this entry spot and our last tick here, which is our exit spot, was above this fifth tick, I'm not above the entry spot, we will still win. That's the beauty of this particular market. So let's take one more trade. As you can see there, I made 5.62 USD in profit. Let's take one more trade to show you how it works. Let's take one more trade. I'll show you how to analyze this market making use of this chart. Remember, this chart can actually be set. Okay, let's take another trade here. As I was saying, this chart can actually be set up. This is definitely a winning trade. Okay, as you can see here, this was our entry spot. This is our fifth tick, and this is going to be a winning trade. This is our last tick. So we've won again a profit of 5.62 USD. Now I wanted to explain something. We can actually set up this chart. We have the one tick, which is what we have here. We have the 1 minute time frame, which if you click on it, we have what we call the candlesticks, which we can actually make use of. Now, this is what we call the candlestick. I've taken our time to explain how it works and why and how you can use this to make some massive profit in my package. Then we have what we call the line dot, the span, the tables, whichever one you want to make use of that gives you clear prediction of the market movement, you can actually make use of it. Then we have so many indicators which you can insert here, and you'll be in massive profit, like the comparisons, the indicators, and the drawing tools. We have the chart template and the share chart. So I'm going to be giving you a clue of the indicators to use in my trading package, my binary option trading package. So I urge you guys to enroll for this particular offer, and you will not regret. As you can see here, this is just one of the strategies I use, and it guarantees you nothing less than 50 to 100 USD every day by just putting in like 30 minutes of your time on a daily basis. So let's go back to our reports. Now, having seen that, having disposed this every single tab on the binary.com website, let's go to the deal of the day, which is the premium package and my training program. But wait, this is just a tip of what you are going to be getting once you lay your hands on the full package. The full package comes in both an ebook format and as well a well-detailed practical video tutorial format that will show you how to build your binary option account from as little as 50 USD to 500 and above USD every single week, no story attached. That is my promise to you. To join me in this business and earn as huge as 500 USD weekly, all you need to do is to get my well comprehensive step-by-step package on this business that contains all you need to know when it comes to setting up and start earning in your first week. No story attached. Now, meanwhile, before you place an order for this package, I have a gift for you. As I promised you in the first part of this video recording, I'll be sharing my first 7 video series, the first 7 of my video series on the binary.com package to you. For you, this is going to give you a clue of what you expect when you purchase the package. And now I'm going to be giving you the first 7 model videos of my binary option trading package for free. You don't have to pay for it. Kindly see the links below to download them. This will give you a clue of what to expect when you order for the binary option premium package. Okay, these are the links to the package. So all you need to do, just click on it. I'll be attaching the link to the downloadable link to this particular ebook I'm using in the description area of this particular video on YouTube. So all you need to do is download and click on this particular links, and it takes you to the download pages where you can actually download the first 7 models series of this particular training of my premium package. So, but wait, which do you prefer? A slow or a fast method, a trial or error method, or to follow a proven system that has been tested over time? Now is your time. But before we look at what our existing clients has to say, before we look at what our existing clients have to say, I've already shown you in the first part of this video recording what our clients have to say, but let's take a look at other clients, what other clients has to say. Okay, we have another one here. It says, "Good morning, sir. How are you doing today? How's the family? I just want to say thank you. After I attended the live webinar with you, I didn't trade at all. I left the strategy you taught me and started looking for another without practicing yours. In the course of searching for new strategy, I was scammed 500 USD. Then I sat down, checked my email for the webinar you sent, and went through all the videos. So I settled for the candlestick pattern. I started trading yesterday with a deposit of 20 USD. I made 50% yesterday, and today now I have 40 USD. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you." And he attached screenshot of his trade. Now, also, I told him, "Enjoy your money, bro." He said, "Thanks, sir. After how many percent should I stop trading payday? 50% or 100% of my deposit?" Okay, I responded to him, but I'm not going to show you what my response was. Here we have another one. "Hello, boss. After going through your guide, I'm paying attention to the software with a day demo trade. Yesterday was Friday. I started with $50 in my real account, and guess what? I've made up to $480 in my real account. I'm planning to withdraw $400 on Monday and continue with the remaining $80. Thank you very much, because I did not regret on getting the guide plus software from you. God bless you." Okay. He went ahead and told me, "As at this evening, even when the market was very tough, I risked it by using one of your strategies in tick trade. I have increased my earnings from 480 USD to over 2,000 USD. Can you beat that? This is unbelievable. Thank you very much." Okay, he went ahead also. They show me a screenshot of his account balance. I can't do but continue to be grateful to God and you. See the screenshot of my payout request for today, 1,300 USD. You are blessed. And this is a screenshot of his payout request on binary.com, as you can see here. So I had to screenshot it because this is a great testimony that we encourage those that have given up on binary option trading. Okay, this is another one from Sam Debbie. This was precisely in July this month at 8:33 p.m. He said here, "Dear boss, thank you for the intensive trading. I have started yielding results. I applied your strategy on volatility index less than 4. I have doubled my trading account in one day. Thank you." Okay, we have another one from Harrison Walker. Okay, and the rest of them. So all you need to do, this is just to encourage you, to show you that binary option trading is for real and that you can actually make some massive profit trading on binary option. Okay, let's proceed. Wondering how much it will cost you to get this amazing system that will transform your life forever? Relax. Let's take a look at the benefit you stand to get if you enroll for this offer first. Now, for enrolling for this offer, you will gain access to my premium offer binary option trading package. Normally it goes for 45,000, but I'm going to give it out for you for free if you enroll. For getting this package, you are also entitled to a 7 days training and trading session with me. This 7 days trading session is worth 50,000 naira. It's going to be divided into two segments. The first 3 days, I'll be training you live, where you'll be seeing me live, and I'll be seeing you live as well. We're going to be making use of the Zoom platform, where I'll be showing you every secret I've been using to make 7 figures on a monthly basis trading on binary.com, and you're going to be seeing it live. And also, we are going, after the first 3 days, we are also going to be training live with me for another 4 days, which I'll be taking out time to show you how you can make massive profit immediately. I'll be giving you trading signals, which you'll be trading with, and using those trading signals, we are going to be making at least nothing less than 200 USD within 4 days of you trading with me. It's going to be amazing because you're going to recover every amount you've actually invested into this offer at the end of the 7 days mentorship and trading sessions. Now, you're also going to be getting access to a lifetime follow-up from me, and also you're also going to be getting the 3 top-notch secrets every trader must know to avoid losing funds while trading. If you're a trader and you don't know this, then you're as good as dead. Let me tip you with just one of them. Now, this is another gift I promised you at the beginning of this webinar session. Now, there is a way binary.com is being programmed. You discover, if you've been a trader on binary.com, you discover that each time, for instance, you have 100 USD account balance and you are trading on the binary.com platform, you discover every time you are able to make $50 profits within every 24 hours, the market start working against you, no matter how good you are, no matter how good your strategy is. Now, do you know why? It's just because binary has been programmed, the binary.com to be precise, has been programmed in such a way that once you hit 50% in profit of any account balance you have within 24 hours, the market automatically must work against you. That is how binary options platforms are being programmed. So to avoid losing your hard incomes, we set aside a particular rule which has been working for us since inception. And this rule has to do with your targeted amount as profit. All you need to do is target between 10 to 30% profit of your account balance every 24 hours. This will give you a higher edge in making massive profits. Just target 10 to 30% of your account balance. This is very easy to achieve, and it takes less than 30 minutes to achieve that. And you see that every trade you go for, which amounts to 10 to 30%, is very easy to achieve, and your strategy will actually work perfectly for this particular profit target within 24 hours. But if you want to exit that, then you are at risk. That is how binary works. So this is one secret so many traders out there do not know. So I'm revealing this to you because you are watching this particular recording right now. And if you want to discover the more secrets that I'm going to be revealing to you when it comes to making massive profit on binary and trading safe on binary.com, then you have to enroll for this offer. Then I'll be revealing to you the remaining secrets, like the best times to trade as Nigerians and other things you need to look out for. Now, also, if you are enrolling for this offer, you are going to be getting my premium trading robot that analyzes the market and picks the best trade for you while you sit back and take profit. The robot will earn you nothing less than 50 USD and above on a daily basis with 97% trade accuracy. Here is the preview of how the robot works. So just copy this link and paste it on your browser and gives you a preview of how the robot works. The robot analyzes the markets you actually selected and picks the best trade for you and gives you massive profit. And you can just run this robot for just 30 minutes on a daily basis and you achieve so much profit ranging from 50 USD and above on a daily basis. That is the beauty of the robot. So, and also for enrolling for this offer, you'll also be entitled to lots of bonuses. And the bonus one, you get all my courses for half its price if you place an order within 30 days from date of enrollment. I have other money-making courses which you can actually lay your hands on and be in massive profit. So for enrolling for this offer, you are entitled to all my other courses at 50% discount. That means if that course goes for 10,000, you are going to be paying 5,000. So that is another bonus you are getting if you enroll for this offer. A bonus too, you get my ultimate PayPal account opening guide. Help you open and operate a PayPal account that can send and receive funds without issues of restrictions. Note that you can access it using your Nigerian IP address, and this is worth 10,000. Now, PayPal, for those of us that have been into online business, you discover that PayPal is one of the payment processors which you can actually make use of to receive funds from from merchants websites like the likes of affiliate max website, the likes of freelancing website. So before now, Nigerians were not allowed to use PayPal, but we went through the back door to be able to use PayPal, which the back door was that you have to create either another country's PayPal account, maybe a US PayPal account, or a South African PayPal account. For you to be able to create that, you have to purchase credit cards online, you have to purchase US addresses online, you have to purchase US phone number online. But with this particular PayPal account opening procedure, which I'm going to give you, you can actually register as a Nigerian, register with your Nigerian IP address, register with your Nigerian verification details, your address and everything, and you'll be able to access with your Nigerian IP address compared to the American PayPal, which you have to buy a VPN that changes your IP address from a Nigerian IP address to a US IP address. But with this one, you will be able to access your PayPal account with a Nigerian IP address, be able to send funds and receive funds from your PayPal account right here in Nigeria, and you can also withdraw your fund directly to your Nigerian bank account, which PayPal has limited Nigerians from doing that. So I'm going to show you how to bypass this and how to surf freely on PayPal. Now the bonus number 3, you get access to my awesome copy that made me 3 million naira in my first year doing online business. Now this copy is brought to you by Akin Alabi, our Honorable Akin Alabi, the owner of nairabits.com. Okay, he said ebook is titled How I Made Over 9 million naira in 2009 by Akin Alabi. This is the ebook that transformed my life to my first million naira in doing online business. So that is the third bonus you are going to be getting from me for free. Actually paid for this ebook, but I'm going to be giving it out to you for free. And bonus 4, you get my candlestick trading Bible by Menhiza Omar. Now, this trading Bible gives you a clue of how to use candlesticks and make some massive profit on the binary.com website. Now, this is one of my best strategies which I use. I've taken out time to explain in one of the video models you're going to be getting from me how to make use of this trading Bible, how to make use of the strategies that are embedded in this trading Bible and make massive profit. This trading Bible is so wonderful. So you can't miss this. So these are the bonuses you are going to be getting from me. And the total worth of all these bonuses is 135,000 naira. Can you beat that? So all this and more you'll be getting from me. So if you love the plan and ask to enroll so I can personally help you to execute maximize and profit from this amazing business as soon as possible. If that's the case, we'll knock it out of the park, and that's a promise. Every single one of my clients gets results, literally every single one. The best thing that can happen is we work together one-on-one to make profits several times over. That's why this is the closest thing to free money you ever see. Now, note that this offer is only available to the first 5 people that takes action by making payment. Thereafter, this offer is closed, not like the normal Nigerian thing. After I get the first 5 people that makes payment for this offer is going to be automatically closed. Also note that this offer ends by Friday the 26th of July 2019. After Friday the 26th of July 2019, there will be no extension at this price. But if you want to still enroll after then you'll have to pay the normal price, which is 75,000 naira. Okay. Now, wow, I'm interested in getting this ultimate business system, but I'm worried about how much it's going to cost me. What would you expect to pay for a complete success system like this? 200,000? No. 150,000? Never. 100,000? Hell no. I think I would charge you just 38,000 naira only for the binary option trading premium package, no extra cost. This is just a bonus price. For 38,000 naira, you are entitled to enroll with me in this particular trading and training session where we'll be trained on how to make nothing less than 50 to 100 USD on a daily basis. And also you stand a chance of getting all the bonuses I listed in this particular ebook. Okay. Believe me, this offer is more advanced system that has in a strategy that will earn you a whopping 1,500 USD and above 6 to 7 figures every single month by just putting in less than 1 to 2 hours of your time on a daily basis. This is my promise to you. Please note that this offer is only valid at this price till 26th of July 2019. After then, you will have to be paying the normal price of 75,000 naira for the premium offer package. No extensions, please. Now, to get this package, kindly follow the steps below. Step 1, make a bank deposit or online or mobile transfer into any of their bank below. The account details are: bank name is Guaranteed Trust Bank, account name is Raymond Ukemeobong, Raymond Ukemeobong, Reymond Ukemeobong. Account number is 014-063-1149. I repeat, 014-063-1149. And the amount to pay between now and the 26th of July 2019 is 38,000 naira. And after making payment, kindly send a text message in the format below to my number 0818-4950-870 with the details as stated here. The text message must include the name of the depositor or the payee's name, your teller number, a mode of payment, if you are paying via cash deposit, ATM transfer, or internet banking transfer, the amount you paid, the date of payment, your valid phone number, which you'll be using to communicate with me because I only respond to clients that I have their numbers, your name, and your email address. Now, why I request for all this is to be able to, I have a document where I save all details of my clients so that once they find it difficult or whenever they have issues because of binary updates, you can as well get back to me and I'll give you possible ways to come out of such issues and be in massive profit. Your packet download links will be delivered within 10 minutes or to your email address upon confirmation of payment. Please ensure you supply all the above information to me via text message to +234-818-4950-870 after payment to ensure prompt delivery of your package. Please note that bonus price ends by 26th of July 2019. No extension, please. Now, you are also guaranteed a 30 days money back guarantee if you purchase this particular offer today. Now, the 30 days money back guarantee means that within 30 days time frame, if you actually apply this strategy and it doesn't work for you, I'll refund you in full and even add an apology letter for you to you. But before I refund you, I will have to go through your trading statement, your account trading statement, your account trading profit table to see if you actually apply the strategy I outlined in my recording series, the strategy I outlined in my package, and it didn't work for you, which will never come up. Because if you apply the strategies I'm going to give you in my trading course, you will definitely make money. That is what I'm very sure. But if you actually applied it and it didn't work for you, then I will refund you with an apology letter. Now your time is money, so let's save both. I envy you. Obviously, you are very serious about understanding how to expand your business and how to make a living online. I just want to say thumbs up for that. Most people never take the time to educate themselves the way you have. You are online, you are reading this, and you really have the commitment and determination to make money online with the power of the internet. It's specifically for people like you who want to earn consistent income online right here in Nigeria. And I guess you really want to be financially free. You actually want to be your own boss and be able to do things you love. Am I right? I guess your answer is yes. Better you take advantage of this insane offer so that you will soon be sending in your testimonies too. And look, I said this boldly without a doubt, this will make you money. This offer expires soon, so take advantage of it fast. It's your time to claim your share of the multi-billion-dollar empire. It's really my desire to help you succeed online like I've done. Make sure you're among the lucky ones that will get the bonus prize as the early bird slots will be taken up quickly. Grab yours today before it's too late. Grab this offer at this cheap rate and let me prove it what you've been missing. Remember, this is valid only till the 26th of July 2019. Once it's reached, that is it, no more. Don't miss out. My phone number remains +234-818-4950-870, and my name remains Ukemeobong Raymond Engineer. Okay, my blog here is www.binary-box.blogspot.com. For questions and more inquiry, you can reach me via my phone on 234-818-4950-870 or via email at binaryboxpro@gmail.com. Kindly see my YouTube channel for more educational videos and client testimony. The link will be included in the PDF report. So just click on it. I takes you to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe to my channel to get latest updates whenever it comes up. Now, I love you, but God loves you most. Good luck. But before we call it a day, I want to introduce you to other money-making ventures. Feel free to visit the below listed website to earn money online using these other money-making ventures. Now, the first one is how to earn 4,000 USD and above every month with Fiverr.com. So just visit the blog here, fiverrmagic.blogspot.com. Fiverr.com is a website that is owned by Google, which you can actually make money on. So just visit this fiverrmagic.blogspot.com, and it's free to start. You don't need a startup capital here to get started with Fiverr. So just go through the blog and you get detailed information on how it works and how you can make money from there. Now the next one on our list here is how to earn 77 USD and above daily trading Bitcoin. This is another amazing package which you can actually make use of. Now, here is a trading platform that is automated, meaning it runs on itself while you wait and make your profit. All you need to do is credit your account with 20 USD, Bitcoin, worth of Bitcoin, do a little setting, changing the default setting on the platform to what I would recommend in my video trading course, and allow it to run. It can run for a whole day, and within 1 hour, every 1 hour, you are guaranteed of making nothing less than 75 USD and above on every 1 hour basis. So this is another amazing secret that people have been looking out to, people have been missing. So I urge you to enroll for this offer, and the sky will be your limit. And the third one on our list here is how to earn 1,000 USD and above per month on YouTube without recording a simple video. Now, so many of you are aware of YouTube, and do you know that people are making massive money profit from YouTube from just uploading videos? You didn't know that? Then you are going to be revealed to an amazing secret, or that you can actually make money with YouTube without recording a single video. Now, for you watching a particular video on YouTube that has been uploaded by someone, you are actually making money for that person that uploaded that video. For watching that video, you are making money for somebody else. So you can as well make money for yourself when people are watching your video. So in this course, I'm going to be revealing to you how you can make money on YouTube without recording a single video. It's so amazing. So the link is here. All you need to do is type this link on your web address on your browser, and it takes you to a page where you'll be able to discover how this works, okay, and how to enroll. Now, the fourth one on our list here, which is the last one, is how to earn 300,000 naira and above per month doing football prediction. You have to call me for this. Here, I'll be giving you tips on a daily basis, and you'll be making money with those tips, and definitely everybody will smile at the end of the day. So thank you all for taking our time to watch this video to the end. I hope that it's been educative, it's been amazing. And if you apply the strategy I just explained to you, you make some cool cash. Enroll for this offer and you will never regret it. Thank you. I remain my humble self, Ukemeobong Raymond. See you when I get to record another amazing video series. Thank you and bye for now.